Yeah, thanks, Mark. Some parents have filled out this piece of paper at the beginning of their child's school year. It's the personal and philosophical exemption form that excuses a child from receiving a vaccine. But for the MMR vaccine, a bill recently submitted to the House could make this entire section of the form no longer apply. 3,800. According to spokesman for Spokane Public Schools, Brian Coddington, that's how many children in the district have been exempted from receiving vaccines. This number includes personal, philosophical, religious, and medical exemptions. But with the measles outbreak now at 54 confirmed cases in the state of Washington, some lawmakers are looking to make changes. With House Bill 1638, personal and philosophical reasons would no longer be accepted as excuses against the MMR vaccine. Those exemptions would still apply for other vaccines. Currently, the state of Washington is one of 18 states that allows for these exemptions, along with religious reasons. If the bill passes, Washington would no longer recognize personal or philosophical reasons. Religious and medical exemptions would still apply. So to break things down, according to the National Vaccine Information Center, medical exemptions are allowed if a doctor determines that it will be detrimental to a person's health if they received a vaccine. Personal and philosophical exemptions involve holding a moral belief against receiving vaccines, and for religious exemptions, you have to provide considerable knowledge that your religion stands against receiving vaccines. The bill states that parents wanting to exempt from vaccinating their children from MMR for medical or religious reasons would have to submit the exemption form at the beginning of each school year. Otherwise, they'd be required to show that their child has received the vaccine. Now, there was another bill proposed to get rid of personal and philosophical exemptions for all vaccines and not just MMR, but that failed back in 2015. The current bill is expected to reach the House in a couple of weeks. Reporting the newsroom, Shayna Waltower, Crime 2 News.